gonna look at what's new in 16.6, and that is the link right there, right? That is the link. Okay, let's see what we got. So, block hooks, formerly known as auto-inserted blocks. So this was the thing that we were just talking about a few minutes ago that has gone through some iterations. I believe this is now no longer an experiment, but we can check. I'm going to experiments, block hooks. Oh no, it is still an experiment. Okay, they just changed it. All right, that's cool. So it's still activation plugins are now equipped with the capability to auto insert blocks, enhancing integration and automation between plugins in the Gutenberg editor. Early versions of the experiment are called auto inserted blocks, but after some discussion, they've never done block hooks. Been dubbed block hooks. Okay, so they're called block hooks now. I feel like that's kind of a misnomer because there is an experiment here that seems to be needed. So that's another thing. Block hooks. Okay. All right. Cool. Captured toolbars for easier editing experience. Toolbars for child blocks are now seamlessly attached to their parent block, offering more intuitive and organized editing experience. These are currently supported with navigation, list, and quote blocks. Okay. So, what does it look like? Let's look at a quote block. Where is the thing? Posts. Add new GB 16.6. So what was that? That was a quote block? The quote block. I'm going to turn the top toolbar off. Grab the quote block. So it's all integrated. I don't really see any difference here. So that's probably a good thing. Cool. So it's only available for navigation, list, and quote blocks. All right, cool. Make mid-size parameter setting for query pagination block. Keyboard shortcut for duplicating box. Add toggle list view command and site editor. What's that? What's toggle list view command? What in your edit mode? Open commands prop to the toggle list view command. Oh, cool. So let's go. Right there. So we'll get toggle list view. So parents editor leave template. Yeah, sure. And don't know why it's doing that, but it's knowing me. So we go. What is it? Nope. Okay. Command K. Toggle list view. Oh, neat. All right, that's handy. I love that. I actually quite like that because I can just do this now. Toggle list view. This is actually not any faster than coming over here for me because I'm a slow ass typer. But for those of you who type at a medium pace, it's a little Adam Sandler reference for you in there. If anyone gets that reference, please put it in chat because that is obscure. And only in my brain, apparently. So, okay. So yeah. Interactivity API. Add slot and fill directives. Ooh, I like that. Client-side navigation. This is cool. So this query block is going to get pagination that is. Does it work? Let's look. Okay, let's try that because I think so. I have to maybe look at this. So how do I enable this? I wonder if it just works. Let's look. Anyways, the pagination means that it won't reload the page. So there should be an inline pagination. Now you do have to have the Gutenberg plugin enabled to do that, and we do. So that's cool. So let's do this. I'm gonna see what happens here. I'm going to do a query loop. I'm going to choose whatever. I'm going to just do the date and time for now, and that's what I'm going to set it as. And here we go. We're going to publish this. I'm going to see what this looks. Now let's see. Did that refresh the page? It did refresh the page. What have I done? What have I done? Is there something I have to do to enable that? Let's see. Query loop. Yeah, get lost. user experience. Let's see. Enhanced pagination. Okay. Oh, no one can see that. Sorry, I found this down here. So in my query loop, the settings, I'm going to go into user experience and there's enhanced pagination. I'm going to turn that on. And we're going to see. There's a little warning there. I'm going to refresh this page and let's see. Boop. Oh, it worked. And it's refreshing. That's really nice. This is a huge request from my query loop, my advanced query loop plugin. I get a lot of people asking for this, and I think that this is great. I love it. I love it. I love it. What's it doing? Kevin, why aren't you watching? Why aren't you paying attention, Kev? It's added pagination without a page refresh. So when you click this, the page is not refreshing. It's probably happening too quickly for you to notice that. Your slow eyes behind the scenes. Yeah. So it's just loading the stuff without page refresh, which is really nice. Because now you can have like, so say like you get a layout with like a bunch of different query loops. Like, I don't know, like you've seen a lot of home pages that have like, you know, what do they call it? Waterfall. You've got like, here's latest posts, here's latest pages. What's it doing behind the scenes? It's using the interactivity API to do it. I'd imagine that there's some kind of round trip being requested. I don't know. Let's see. Let's refresh this. What did I use a bit? Query page. All right. No, it's yeah. There you go. So it's hitting some kind of URL. Network request with DOM diff. You're asking me. They're asking me. I don't know. You're asking me? It might be. We can look at what it actually does here. Where is that? So, where'd that go? So it's here. Bunch of stuff going on. This is the actual PR for adding client-side pagination to the query loop block. So, I mean, we can look at all the code, but you know what? I'll just leave that link there for you to look at. And yeah, and that's what else? What else we got? Components, slot build bundle, slot build provider within block editor provider. Oh, that's smart. So the block editor provider, yeah, that's smart. So if now automatically you don't have to wrap the block editor provider in a slot fill provider. It'll be in there, which is great, because you need that to have the slots and the fills get connected. Fun stuff. Cool. Components, poster icons. Anything else in here we wanna? Auto-sorting blocks. Auto-sorting. Okay, so it's still under experiments. That's cool. A lot of stuff going on. First time contributors. Anyone we know in here? Nope. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, that's 16.6. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress development. You can also join me live every Thursday at 10:30 Eastern on Twitch. Check the description for the link.